back at it again with another trigonometric identity. So first, we expound cotangent x, so that is cos x over sine x multiplied by cos x. So cos squared x over sine x, and we know that cos squared x is equal to 1 minus sine squared x. So 1 minus sine squared x over sine x. So 1 over sine x minus sine squared x over sine x. So that is equal to cosecant x. 1 over sine x is cosecant x. Then sine squared x over sine x is just sine x. So that's all. Please like and subscribe and also share this video. Thank you.